hopefully you had some fun playing those games with your family or your friends or whoever you chose to play with and kind of enjoyed this week of math. Today, we're going to do a couple of problems together, and then you're going to have a few to finish up on your own, submit the picture to Google Classroom, and then you're done for the week. So nice job. I am on page 475 in your book, and I'm looking at number 22. So it says the cost $7.50 to enter a petting zoo. Each cup of food to feed the animals is $2.50. If you have $12.50, how many cups can you buy? Use a bar diagram to solve. All right, so things that we know is we know that it costs $7.50 to enter the petting zoo and $2.50 per cup, and then we have a total of $12.50. So my total of my bar diagram is the amount of money that I have. So I have $12.50, and that's what this whole thing represents. I know that I have to get into the petting zoo in order to feed the animals. So I'm going to have to pay a one-time fee of $7.50. But then I can buy cups of food to feed the animals for $2.50. I don't know how many of those I can have though. So let's just say a few, right? So one of these splits equals $2.50. So if I was writing my equation, my total is $12.50. I have $7.50 that I have to pay, plus $2.50 per cup. I don't know how many cups I'm going to buy, so that would be my variable C. And I would take $2.50 times the number of cups that I get. So there's your equation. So to solve this, I'm going to rewrite it over here where I have some more room to work. I need to get that variable by itself. So I always work on the side that has the variable. I need to get rid of this $7.50. Since it's a positive $7.50, I'm going to subtract or add a negative $7.50. Gives me $5, so now I still have $2.50 C on that side equals $5. So since $2.50 and C are multiplied, the opposite operation is division. So I divide by $2.50. So C, I can type in my calculator 5 divided by 2 and 50 hundredths, and I would get an answer of 2. So in other words, I can buy 2 cups of food. So our bar diagram was actually wrong. I can only buy 2 of them. All right, we're going to go to number 21. So number 21, we have 15 minus 1/2 b minus equals -3. So we always work on the side that has the variable. I need to get rid of that 15 that is with the variable. So since it's a positive 15, I'm going to subtract 15. Those make 0 pairs. I'm left with -1/2 b equals a -18. Since -1/2 and b are multiplied, I do the opposite operation, which is division. So I divide by -1/2, which you do one side, you always have to do to the other. When you are dividing fractions, you always change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction to make it a -2/1. I can also put 18/1. So now I just multiply straight across. A negative times a negative is a positive, and 18 times 2 is 36/1. Therefore, B equals 36. All right, number 20. I always work on the side that has the variable. So I have 25 plus 11/12 b, so I need to get rid of that 25 first. So since it's a positive 25, I'm going to subtract 25. Those made 0 pairs, but I still have 11/12 b. 11/12 and b are multiplied, so I just do the opposite operation. The opposite of multiplying is dividing, so I divide by 11/12, divide by 11/12. I always keep the first one, so 22 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip 11/12 to make it 12 over 11. Now, a lot of you are going to want to reduce here, so I will. I can divide both 22 and 11 by 11. 22 divided by 11 is 2. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So now I just multiply straight across. 2 times 12 is 24. 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, B equals 24. All right, so for your homework assignment, what I want you to do is to do problems 17, 18, and 19 on page 475. Take a picture of your work. Yes, you must show your work. And then submit it to Google Classroom for your last task for this week. Thank you for working hard. I appreciate everything that you guys are doing.